Kind of a cold day in the metro area, especially down in the South Platte Valley where the cold air kind of huddled in there and the air quality was not great. Skies are clear above us, but there's some haze out there, and that's going to continue into the evening hours with only fair air quality in that cold, dense air. 28 at 7 p.m., 24 by 11 p.m. And today did not get very warm. The high was only 30 at DIA. 10 degrees was the low this morning. The averages are 44 and 18. And right now we have 32 downtown, but it's 26 out at the airport. The pressure's falling. The winds are out of the west at 9. As I mentioned, the air quality is only fair. As far as our weather headlines, a Pacific storm moving into the state. That means heavy snow for the mountains. We might see a little metro snow Friday afternoon. Milder weather comes in early next week. This storm has been hammering the west coast with big waves and very heavy precipitation along with strong winds. It's weakening as it approaches, and it's kind of a complicated weather pattern. Cold air is going to actually slip back in across northeast Colorado. The strong Pacific storm coming in from the west, but starting to lose some steam. Nonetheless, by morning, snow increasing over western Colorado, where there is a winter weather advisory in effect along and west of the Continental Divide. Might see a little fog or freezing drizzle northeast Colorado with lows down to 17 at Sterling, 10 at Ray, 22 in Denver, 30 out west at Grand Junction. Front range numbers are going to be in the teens and low 20s in the mountains, and it'll be in the 20s over the metro, but colder off to the north and east of us, where there could be a few flurries or a little light freezing drizzle early. Snow increasing in the mountains as that western storm begins to move in. By midday, we can see some flurries developing across the metro and to the north of us, moderate snow in the mountains, and by later in the day, a little burst of snow comes down across the eastern plains. It's snowy and slick in the mountains. Snowfall is not going to be huge with this. We'll get perhaps less than a half an inch just to the north and east, maybe a trace in Denver, and looking at about 3 to 5, maybe 6 inches of snow in the mountains. The highs tomorrow actually get a little bit milder as that Pacific storm drags in some warmer air briefly. Look at this, so we see some 50s down over southeast Colorado. There's this weak low pressure system as the storm begins to lose some of its steam. By the time we get to Saturday, just kind of a chilly day but dry. Another Pacific storm coming in, bringing milder air early next week, and maybe spread some snow in the mountains by Tuesday, but it's going to bring milder air ahead of it. So tomorrow is 40 with some mountain snow, clearing, and 42 on Saturday. Milder on Sunday with a high of 47. Broncos' final game of the season should be nice with sunshine, temperatures in the 40s. After that, Monday, Tuesday, get up into the 50s. Might see some flurries here. Mountains will get some snow on Wednesday, and then back to mostly sunny and 50 next Thursday.